Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my wig and also how I style it. So this wig was sent to me by UniWigs and I decided to do a video on it since a lot of people have been, asking me to do a video on my wigs. So here it is. So my wig is roughly around $500 because it's customized. I know it's really expensive, but honestly I think that's like the cheapest that you can find. Real human hair wigs runs up to like $1,000 to $2,000. So honestly $500, that is pretty cheap, and the quality is like freaking amazing. It's all hand sewn, every strand one by one. This wig was sent to me by UniWigs and it came in this little box right here. I will be showing you guys what's in there. So my extensions came in this black hairnet. It's very stretchy. And it also came with two wig cap. One is nude and one is black, which I'm wearing it right now. And there's a paddle comb in there. Some clips that I can sew onto my wig so that I can clip it in and it will be more secure. Also comes with varieties of hair colors that you can choose from and you can customize from them. A stretchy band. Last but not least, it came with a little pouch. I think I opened it earlier. It was like some flower petals or seeds or whatever, but it smells really good though. Next, I will be showing you guys how I put on my wig and also how to style it. Next, I'm going to put on my black hair cap and I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in all of my hair, making sure no hair strand is sticking out. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and pull my cap back a little bit so that it doesn't cover my forehead. So once that is done, I am going to put on my wig. This wig comes with 5 clips in it, 2 on the temple area, 2 behind the ears, and 1 in the middle bottom. So what this does is it helps secure the wig, that way it will stay in place instead of falling off. And I'm just going to go ahead and clip all of that in, and once I am done, I'm going to be taking my paddle comb and just go ahead and comb out the hair so that there's no knot in it. So a trick that I learned on how to make your wig look more real is by combing out your front baby hair. This will help make your front hairline more natural and it also blends in your wig. Last but not least, it's time to style my hair. I wanted to go for more of a loose wavy kind of curls, so I'm going to be taking my Remy Titan 3 32mm barrel and I'm just going to go ahead and curl my hair with that. I started from the middle, as you can see the middle part of my head down. I don't like my curls to be too high up, but if you want to do it a little bit higher then you can. I just want to let you guys know that I do have a coupon code for you guys to use and this can save you guys some money. My code is PING10 and I will be putting that down below. I will also be putting UniWigs website and the link to my wig down below the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out. Once I'm done curling my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out with my fingers. And then after that, I'm just going to spray some hairspray to make the curls stay. That is it guys. I hope hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye guys!